Hey guys, so I just finished doing my eyebrows. We're all in quarantine and most places are closed, but I did my eyebrows and I'm gonna show you just how to do it. So here are the things that you'll need. You will need Nair face cream, a angled brush, tweezers, one of these to brush it, and you will also need a eyebrow pencil. Yeah, and that's it. This and just comb it out. Then we're gonna use our pencil to outline the shape that we want. God who made us well as he whispers to you, let it break through and know your black is. Okay, so that's the shape that I want. Voices worth sharing, like Billy and Mahalia. So sing it loud, sing it proud. And you want to make this dark so that when you put the Nair on, you're not like taking off hair that you wanted to keep. It's best to go slow and where you can always remove more later than to take them all now and then, you know. So I did that. So now you want to get an angled brush. And just like how you would put on the concealer, that's the same way you put the Nair on. So first, do the middle. And go very slowly. You don't want to take off too much. And then I always go like this, like put my eyebrows up, and then them say me black, tell me shine, tell me look dirty, and it's the only line in life that will ever work. It was younger, it was easy. Now I'm stressed at home, it's tough to have the TV on. Watching memories fade to gray and winding slowly. Make me uneasy, makes me feel crazy. But it's fake love, if I'm lying to myself. And why not? Just put the rest right here, y'all. And get that mustache too while we at it, right? I don't really care. I don't wanna keep my head down. Got nothing to share. Maybe I should put my phone down. I don't really care if everybody likes me. I just wanna love myself. Love myself. All right, so after you finish this, after you apply it, wait about 5 to 7 minutes or until it starts burning, and then that's it. And we'll come back and wipe it off. I think I got it to where I want it. The ground breaks, and I can pay attention when my hand shakes. When love is gone and every day's a bad day, just need myself to tell me that it's okay. I don't really care. Got nothing. Okay guys, so we outlined it, we put on the Nair. So now we are going to wipe it off. It's been about 10 minutes since I've had it on, so now I'm just gonna wipe it off. Wipe the other side. So then after you wipe that off, you want to brush it again. Look up in the mirror, oh my God, it's me. So much pride on me, I'm a prodigy. I'ma do my thing, no apology. And that's how they look, but we're not done yet. So now you're gonna pluck whatever the Nair did not get. So those are my eyebrows. How do they look? I like them. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.